welcome back guys. We've been busy, lots to explain, but long story short, S15 is painted. So it got to a point where I was ready to strip the whole car and me mate Ray wanted to paint it. So we ended up doing it last night, got the car painted. So engine bay, inside and the boot is now all painted, which is a massive relief because that was going to be one of the biggest sort of hurdles. Actually, that's a lie. That is definitely not one of the biggest hurdles, but it's done. So now I can start putting things back in and it's the final resting place for those parts. I've been basically painting all the parts that I needed to paint that are going to go back in and not look too secondhand. I was going to get real carried away, but I do not have time. I was going to do those pedal boxes. I just cleaned them instead. We have some awesome GK Tech products that we are going to be putting in this car, so I'll show you guys how they go in. It's really easy, nut and bolt sort of thing. Right up my alley. And then I had these lying around, some brand spanking new. Actually no, they're secondhand. I have used these. They were on the Sony, but I have no idea what happened there. Long story short, they're going on the S15. So new shocks, I'll start doing the front. Put subframe in. I have a brand new steering rack, which I need to find. And to be honest, everything I have now is gonna almost see the finish line of this car. We don't have, what don't we have? We don't have wiring and we don't have an engine, but I'm not letting that stop me. So I still need to cut the rear guards. I kind of was gonna do that today, but yeah, so I just gotta cut them and try and weld the inside so smoke doesn't go gushing in, and then put the Origin over fenders on. This thing has a full Origin kit. Livery's been made. We have a awesome pre-existing sponsor coming back on board for the event in 2 weeks, which more than likely would have been announced by the time this video gets out. Hopefully the event hasn't already started, but time is not on my side at the moment, so I'm just trying to smash everything out in this car, and then when I do get the odd hour here and there, I'll start editing. If I don't have an hour to like start editing, yeah, I won't even bother because it takes me like 3-4 hours to do each video. So anyway, I'm gonna go to quick time lapse and start installing all these goodies because it's gonna look freaking sick. Let's start. Subframe, steering rack, sway bar, GK Tech high clearance one might I add, is in, and these freaking pain in the ass every single time. I swear every S chassis I've ever worked on is more than likely bent because they never want to go in right. These have been highly modified to suit, just modified to suit the radiator and everything we got going up freaking stairs here. But progress is good. Not really. It's taken me ages, but anyway, I'm just trying to get it all done and done right. So now I've got the GK Tech lower control arms, super duper massive lock, 70 degrees, more than you freaking need. I'll probably, hopefully reach that pinnacle at some point. 70 degrees, anyway. They give you a stack of spaces. Now, if you want to know the hot tip on how many spaces to put each side of every single place, then please let me know. Because I don't know the secret yet. But I'm going to chuck everything in the standard location and work my way from there. Because, yeah, I'm going to have a little play around with these once this car's going. There's quite a lot of things I need to adapt to. Steering, I want to just keep it basic to start with. Basic. It's got 70 freaking degrees of lock. Anyway, it's a bolt-in, simple kit. And then we gotta chuck these bad boys on. Look at these. Reminds me of Speedway. So that obviously goes on the high clearance section. I think this is the right side. Look at me go. And then that goes on the lower control arm. And then you... Tickety-boo. Cool. Back into it. Failing on time lapses too. Because I'm like spending way too much time researching and making sure I do this right. Alright guys, cameraman's here. God. Take over, brother.
What do you mean take over? Yeah. So you're recording me, bro?
I was.
Oh, you are too.
Right. Time for some coilovers, Laz. Do you know who makes these?
MCA?
Hey! Best in the business, brother.
See.
Do you know why?
Why?
Because they just are.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You run them in all your cars?
Yeah, brother.
Yeah.
Just not the Collie yet.
Oh, yeah.
You know, Colorado doesn't have the old MCAs in it yet, but you know, never say never. Right, now, the magical question. Which side's which? Seriously, they've got sides, right?
I'm not gonna say anything stupid on camera.
Lads, come on, man.
Huh?
You got me here. You
No,
can't say much stupid.
No, I couldn't tell you.
Oh, actually, you can't put these in yet.
Actually, look at the top because it's got to be adjustable.
Yeah.
We'll be able to figure it out.
To be honest, I don't think there is a left and a right. Guess what? Spring rates are running in this dog, lads.
Couldn't tell you.
No idea. Okay. 9 kilo fronts and 8 kilo rears. No, that can't be right. So it says 150 mil spring on the front. Yep. And 200 on the. They're both fronts. Oh god. Okay. We'll be back. Holy dooly. Okay, so this GK Tech have done everybody a favour and put a video online. See, I'm looking at it upside down. Oh man, it's going to be a very big 2 weeks ahead. Anyway, I've got these in. It was a bit of a mission on my own. Old Lazzy has left me. Yeah, it is Sunday, so you know, can't really blame him. Anyway, the MCA shocks are in. So now we can put the knuckles on and then hook the lower control arm up to it. But yeah, there's a lot going on here. There's so much room for caster under here now. See that? Look, all the way left, all the way right. So everything's obviously loose right now. I'll do them up when I go to get a wheel alignment. That took way too long, as you can see it's dark now. Man, I just want to make sure it's all good. Anyway, once the front end's done, let's keep going because we've got more GK Tech products to go on the front. And obviously the whole rear. Oh, I'm getting excited. Rubbing them up. Ooh. Let's get these. That you get, buddy. Interesting. That's the other side, Squid. God, there better be instructions for these two. At least they cater for drifters. We're not that bright. I'm speaking for myself, guys, so don't lose it. Okay. No instructions? Okay. You want me to struggle on these ones? It's 2 bolts. Okay, I'll struggle. I don't even have the bolts. I know where they are.
The next day.
Well, the beast defeated me tonight. I run into wheel bearings with stuff that I was going to use. The bearings just fell to bits as soon as I pulled them off the other knuckles. So I've got no bearings. I did find one, but it doesn't want to go on these hubs, so I don't know what the go is there. Definitely was an S13 one, so before you guys jump on that. Just been setting up all the suspension and trying to make it easy for when I do go and get alignment with it. Been a bit of a mission. I've never dealt with this GK stuff before, and there's just so many freaking options. Almost too many. I just want to bolt it in. and off you go, you know. But yeah, I'm not massively cluey on that side of things, but it's been good. I learned a lot, but because I'm in such a time crunch, I just want to get it done. But you gotta do things properly, you know. So I gotta put it back on its little dolly because I can't get freaking wheels on it yet. So I'll get hubs tomorrow. Checked a heap of other things. It's all gonna bolt on now. And then, yeah, it's freaking late. God, I've been dicking around all night. We'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, let's get a little bit of sleep before a big freaking week. We'll be back. We'll be back tomorrow.